Hi there, it's Daniel with Keller Williams Realty again, and I've got a new listing in the north part of Rio Rancho. So I've got a beautiful, and I don't say that lightly, a beautiful home here. It's on a half-acre lot, about just over 2,200 square foot, 3-bedroom house with a loft, and absolutely upgraded throughout, whether it's countertops, kitchen cabinets, flooring. It is a beautiful home, so I'll put some pictures of that. But we're going to go live in 3 days this coming Saturday. It's going to be November 9th and 10th. Both days we're going to have our open house between 2 and 4. One of the things I did want to highlight is you're going to be on the north part of Rio Rancho, and you have this beautiful view of the Sandia Mountains as well. So very conveniently located here in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Good school districts. I'll go ahead and post some of those stats as well. In the next few days, we're going to go ahead and highlight a few things that are really just spectacular about this area. So look forward to seeing you. It's going to be November 9th and 10th, this Saturday and Sunday between 2 and 4. We'll be here, and look forward to seeing you then. If you got any questions about this property, feel free to reach out to us. You can reach me directly at 505-600-9913, or you can reach the office or the group. They're off the sign at the 505-514-0025. Thanks again, Daniel with Keller Williams Realty.